got there. We're looking at a shot put on screen. And then the top twos, as we saw, Ashara Reed, Alpha, Brianna King, Bear, Shamira Samuels, Edwin Allen, Dejane Foster, St. Jago High, Michaela Brown, the Queen School, Smith, Immaculate, McDonald, Alpha, and the fastest qualifier we just saw in 7.4, Robinson from Hydel.
I think Sharon was trying to give me an update. I think you better send me a text message. Go again.
As we look on screen,
one person has achieved the automatic qualifying standard so far.
Meters.
That's 17 meters. That's Nashana Johnson from Kingston College. He finished 8th last year. Number 1 ranked athlete with 18.81 meters. And in the circle now, this is Xavier Kelly from Jamaica College.
That's a big old boy, Maurice.
Huge guy.
Oh, my God.
So Johnson, the leader,
Kelly
finished 8th in the discus last evening.
Rajiv, let me know his height, Rajiv Ford. I mean, maybe the camera is fooling us, but...
And most of these athletes are doing the spin technique. So obviously the coach is going for the highest level of preparation.
Khalil Henry from Calabar steps into the ring now, 5th in last year's final. Johnson, the leader, was 8th in the discus last year. He winds up and releases.
Very close to the 70-meter mark. How do we know? Because that red tape across the sector indicates the automatic qualifying mark.
That was a better throw. Quicker movement across the circle.
16.81, right below the 70-meter mark. Since 12 will go, 16.81 should be fairly safe. Is this Christopher Wolmers again?
Christoph Thompson it is, 12.35 meters in the opening round, followed by 12.22. He's certainly looking for some improvement. The Class 1 boys, shot put. He winds up and releases. You mentioned, Maurice, we're not seeing too many of the contestants doing the glide technique.
Right. And, sometimes it's good to do the glide because you're getting a better power position to release the shot.
11.93 meters for Christoph Thompson in round 3.
He needs to improve in the next round, on the next throw, to make it through.
Dwight Fraser of Sydney Pagan will be up next, 13.91, followed by 14.51. Incremental improvement.
No, he's going to do the glide.
Yeah, that's all we need. Say that nobody's doing the glide, and then that glider comes along.
Well, we said too many were doing those. Sydney Pagan STEM Academy, their representative there. We're heading back to the track now.